GBPUSD. I'm working on this trade that I'm backtesting. So on the 1 hour chart, I'm backtesting from around 7:30 because that's when I usually want to start my trading session. So on the 1 hour chart, we have look like we have a downtrend, but we had a previous downtrend. Price took out this support right here, these lows, and then we had this big pullback, and then we had a break of structure. This previous high got broken, so to me, and then we also have a strong bullish candle above the 200 AMA, close above the 200 AMA. So to me, I would be in a buying position. So that's on the 1 hour chart. So on the 5 minute is where I came to look for my position. So around 7:30, I'm gonna go back to around there. This is how essentially the market will look when I'm coming into it, starting my trading session. And so on the 5 minute, we see that there's an uptrend. We see the 200 EMA under price, and we're just we also do have price bouncing off the 50 EMA too. So we can see that 5 minute and the hour time frame are in alignment. So this is where we have our new high that was created on a higher time frame. And now we have a double top, so that could be signaling that a pullback is starting. So this trade is counter to the trend, the bullish trend. This is a pullback trade, I would say. I took. Yeah, it is a pullback trade. And so what I'm looking for now is to sell into these key areas. So these areas this area is a support area where price could come back to it. So I'm gonna say a demand area up in here, and this is the zone where I will be looking to take a buy if I'm buying, and this is the previous resistance that got broken. We could come down, break and retest this area to go back up. So these would be the two areas that I'm expecting price to sell into. So that's why I took the pullback. So come at 7:30, I see the double top, and so now I'm trying to see where I could take a sell. So since we broke here, now we're making these new lows in this little spot right here. I'm gonna wait until we get a slight pullback, and then I'm gonna look for a bearish entry, a bearish candlestick formation for my entry. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it and show you where I entered. So right here, after we made this is a low right here. So I mean, some people wouldn't consider this a low, but to me, this is bearish formation forming to me. So we created this low, and then every time we make a new low, we always pull back a little bit. So we had this little pullback right here, and now we got these two double tops again. So this is where I took my entry at this bearish engulfing. So I took mine at this candle close, and I put my top loss above this area right here. And then I secured a 1 to 1.5 because that's all I want to secure on my trades. And then I have a second trade that also secured the 1 to 1.5. But once we get to this take profit, I put this one at break even and let this one run. So I'll show you where I exited here too. So I exited around this area because, well, as I play, you're gonna see that we got some moves past this area. So I exited. Excuse me. Sorry, it's March. or April. So weather's changing, but yeah. So I got in on this bearish engulfing candle here, and I took profit on my second trade right here around this demand zone or support area. So I didn't go to like the extremes because sometimes it doesn't come fully there, and price likes to like jump back at it. So this is a counter trend trade, and this is how it played out. So secured that 1 to 1.5, and then I would right here I would have put it at break even, and then now we would have had this running. So right here I could say that I probably would have in real time, like I probably would have took it out, but um I'm sorry, I forgot this candle just went right to it. So yeah, that's basically the trade. But um yeah, so this we got this candle that took both of these trades out. So it got to my TP in one candle. I actually didn't even realize that. But yeah, so that's how I would have done that trade. And yeah, let's see what it did. So we did get some reaction off of the demand zone, and the we went up into our bullish movement.